Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to fix this account can no longer use WhatsApp problem. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily fix this problem. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, open your Google. Now once you open your Google, search for whatsapp.com, whatsapp.com. Now once you search for whatsapp.com, it's gonna take you to this place. Now scroll to the last end, and once you scroll to the last end, click on contact us. And once you click on contact us, you can see contact WhatsApp. Click on contact us over here once again, and now you can see this option over here. So we have to fill this over here. Now the first option says email address, phone number. So enter your phone number and your country. So select your country. So select your country and then your number. Once you have entered your number, enter your email address. So enter your email address over here. So enter your email address. You need to make sure it is correct, so review it. Now copy it. You can copy it and paste it over here. You can see confirm email, so repeat it, because they will send you the feedback through this email, so you have to make sure the email address is correct. Now you can see they are asking the device that you are using your WhatsApp on. So if it is Android, choose Android. If it is iOS, choose iOS. If it is desktop or web, choose it. So I'll choose iPhone. And now one of the major things you need to do over here, please enter your message below. Dear WhatsApp support team, please review the ban on my account. Then you enter your number over here. I believe it was a mistake and I have done nothing to violate WhatsApp terms. I will cooperate fully with your review and provide any necessary information. Thank you for considering my appeal. Now once you are done, click on next step, and you are almost done. This is very simple. So click on send request and boom, you are done. So with this, you can easily recover your account or face this simple problem. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.